So hello everyone, if your YouTube recap is not showing on your account, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix YouTube recap not showing or appearing on your account easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to myactivity.google.com, and here what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your YouTube history is turned on. So just click on YouTube history here, and then in the sub settings you're going to make sure that include the YouTube videos that you watch, include your searches on YouTube are both turned on. You can also turn this one on, but I have it turned off. You need to have both of these settings along with your YouTube history turned on to actually get a YouTube recap, because if your history is not turned on or if it's paused, then YouTube can't make a recap because it doesn't know your history. So you need your YouTube history to be turned on. After that, you're just going to click on manage history, and here as you can see it is saying saving your YouTube history for me. So since I have a YouTube history, now if I go on to youtube.com and try to see my recap, I'll get my YouTube recap here. You also need your account to not be a brand account. You need your account to be a personal account. So I have a brand account, so I will not get a YouTube recap. If I wanted a YouTube recap, I'll have to convert my brand account to a personal user account. And if I do that, then I'll get a YouTube recap. So just make sure that your YouTube account is not a brand account and your YouTube watch history is not paused. Once you've done making sure of both of those things, then you can just wait 1 or 2 more days and you'll see that you will get your YouTube recap soon, as it is still slowly rolling out for users worldwide. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.